considering he's an elected school trustee, this is an issue. This is not acceptable.
Backlash after a Chilliwack school trustee posted a COVID-19 conspiracy and transphobic comments on his Facebook page.
This is CTV News with Nafisa Kareem.
Good evening and thank you for joining us. We begin with some disturbing comments made by a Chilliwack school trustee about the COVID-19 crisis. Barry Neufeld took to Facebook to question the World Health Organization's response to the pandemic. He also made some transphobic comments about Canada's top doctor. And as CTV's Ahmad Agahi reports, this isn't the first time Neufeld has been in hot water over his comments on social media.
It's a Facebook post that shocked many who saw it, including trans right activist Morgan Auger.
Because these are not factors that are supposed to be an issue today, except in the darkest, worst hearts.
The comments came from a controversial Chilliwack School Board trustee Barry Neufeld. The Saturday night rant is being condemned by his colleagues.
I mean, there's a lot to unpack there. But my initial reaction is this is definitely something a school trustee should be posting.
Neufeld, an elected official, is critical of the World Health Organization, calling it corrupt. He also questions Dr. Theresa Tam's sexual orientation, writing, quote, spending a major portion of their life deceiving people as to who she or he truly is. Why should we believe anything he or she says?
Basically taking shots at her credibility. If she were transgender, it's actually pretty disgusting.
It's not the first time Neufeld has made contentious public comments.
It's concerning to me. He's an elected official.
In October of 2017, Neufeld wrote on Facebook that allowing children to change gender is nothing short of child abuse. The following January, advocates protested inside and outside a Chilliwack school board meeting.
We would like the other trustees to stand up and censure him.
Barry Neufeld did not respond to our calls and emails on Sunday regarding this Facebook comment. In fact, we've only been able to reach him once at his house in 2017.
No comment. I know.
Whoever voted for Mr. Neufeld last time around should be shaking their head in shame.
Neufeld remains a school board trustee until at least 2022. Ahmad Agahi, CTV News, Vancouver.